Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel. And we are studying the tools with which we can remove the marks on certain picture. So in this series, I will tell you another tool that is called the patch tool. We have studied the healing brush tool and spot healing brush tool already, and I will tell you the patch tool. So patch tool using is very easy, and you can use this tool to remove these images very fast. So we can just see if whenever the patch is selected, here is some settings for that, and there is no setting for selection in all layers. So everything we will change in this picture using the patch tool will be done on the same image or the source file. So what we can do, we can just duplicate it, or we can just edit on it. It depends on us, but let's make it a new layer and we can just duplicate it. Here is a duplicate layer. We will duplicate layer. You can say copy layer 1, or yes, we can say copy layer 1, and we will click OK, and we will turn it off, and we will do anything on that, and we will just keep this layer to visualize our changes. So for using patch tool, we will zoom it a little bit. So how can we use a patch tool? What we have to do, we have to select this area in which we want to apply the patch, and then we will have to drag it to some other area. So you can see how easily we have removed. Like I will press Ctrl D, and this the mark is removed. Let me show you in the picture. Here is a mark, but in this it is removed. So so we can just select the image. Sorry, the patch tool was not selected. So what we will do, we will select this area and we will just drag it. We will select area and we will drag it. We will select area and we will drag it. So we can use this tool to remove these parts from the image, and you can see we can remove these parts very fastly. So using patch tool we can do it very easily. Which tool we will use will totally depend on our wish or our expertise. So we can use patch tool to remove this image. You can see this was the image, and now after editing you can see lot of the problems have been solved. You will just select the patch and you will drag and drop it to the area from where you want to copy the pixels. So let's see again. So you can see we have removed most of the marks on her face using the patch tool. So patch tool can be used very easily and at very high speed. This was all about the patch tool. You will explore it and you will work on it. If you feel any confusion, you can ask the question again, and we will study something else in the next video. Till then, stay blessed.